Talks Friday between the U.S. and China ended with a friendly-looking handshake, but no deal to prevent a 10-month tariff tiff from turning into an all-out trade war.
We're going to be taking in more money than we've ever taken in.
President Trump has imposed a 25% tariff on $250 billion worth of Chinese goods that's likely to be passed on to consumers, which means prepare to pay more for everyday products, from deodorant and dog leashes to bicycles and backpacks. And you'll really feel the pain on appliances. Existing tariffs in 2018 on washers and dryers cost consumers $1.5 billion.
Almost all the appliances, some parts are coming from China.
This salesman says prices for Samsung products have already gone up 20 to 30%, and it's estimated today's hike could cost Americans an extra $500 to $800 per family. President Trump referred to the negotiations with China as candid and constructive conversations, but in a flurry of earlier trade tweets, he seemed to recognize the impact this could have on U.S. companies and customers, saying, "Build your products in the United States and there are no tariffs."
There is no winner in a trade war.
CBS News business analyst Jill Schlesinger explains the impact on real people if the trade tensions escalate and President Trump makes good on a threat to impose a tariff on another $325 billion worth of Chinese goods.
Now we're talking about essentially every single product that comes from China will have a 25% tariff, and that is going to be a big deal.
President Trump says the newest tariffs may or may not be removed depending on what happens with future negotiations with China. This has a lot of economists pushing the idea that now is really the time to focus on buying things that are made in America.